Hello angels, it's Dr. Michelle Nielsen here, creator of Vital Angel, and we're going to talk about how to do a proper Kegel exercise. A Kegel exercise is an exercise that's often recommended by doctors and other healthcare professionals to keep your pelvic floor, this group of muscles at the bottom of your pelvis, strong and healthy, which is very important so that you can enjoy strong bladder control, better sex, and a nice firm core and tummy. So it can be quite difficult to isolate and to perform these exercises properly, so I'd like to give you a few tips. Number one, make sure that you have an empty bladder. So before you get started, make sure you go to the loo and empty your bladder. In order to isolate these muscles, to begin, I just want you to sit up in your chair and I just want you to squeeze down by your pelvis as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine or if you're trying to stop gas from escaping. So just take a moment and just pretend you're having a little wee and you just stop midstream. Now do the same thing and pretending that you're stopping gas from escaping. So when you have that sensation, you know that you're isolating the correct muscles. Now what I would like you to do is to sit very still, try not to move your pelvis, and also be sure not to contract your buttock or your thigh muscles. So as you sit there, I would like you to pretend that there's a little tiny marble in your vagina and you're going to try and squeeze that marble and pull it upwards and inwards. So take a breath in. Now as you exhale, squeeze that marble upwards and inwards. And as you get that sensation, hold on to that squeeze for about 10 seconds. Then breathe out. So let's try that together. So take a breath in. And as you breathe out, squeeze your marble upwards, inwards, higher and higher. Keeping your pelvis still. Do not contract your thighs or your buttocks. Hold. And now relax and count to 5. Repeat, pulling up and in. Hold for 10. Letting that out. Relax, resting for 5. You're going to want to repeat this Kegel exercise 10 times per session and 3 times a day. So minimum 30 Kegels a day. So that, ladies, is how you do a proper Kegel exercise. You can do that when you're sitting, stopped at a stoplight, or you can do it when you're relaxed at home, lying down on your back.